Hi SuperEx users. This video is made for you if you've registered, made your initial deposit, and are considering trading futures but are unsure how it works. If you want to trade futures, you will need to transfer USDT into your futures account first. With SuperEx USDT margin futures, users need to transfer USDT into their futures account to act as a margin for different trading pairs. For USDT margin futures, you can only transfer USDT to act as a margin. Today we will show you how to trade USDT margin futures on SuperEx.com. Go to the Wallets page. Click on the Transfer button and select USDT from your spot coin list and confirm the amount you want to transfer. Once the transfer is completed, now you can start your first futures trading. Tap the menu icon on the top left corner and click All to open up the futures trading pair list. SuperEx offers over 100 trading pairs for futures trading. Now we can select the ETH USDT pair to trade. Once you have selected the pair, you can change the margin mode to cross, isolated, or split. Cross margin is shared across open positions. Isolated margin is to allocate a part of the funds in the available balance in an open position. In the split margin mode, if your margin rate is 0 or less than 0, you may lose all the margin in your balance. And select Limit, Market, Stop Limit or Stop Market Order to open a position. Limit order allows you to place an order at a specific or a better price. Market orders allow traders to buy or sell instantly at the best available price. Stop limit order is a conditional order over a set time frame, executed at a specified price after a given stop price has been reached. Once the stop price is reached, it will buy or sell at the limit price or at a better price than the limit price you set. Stop market order uses a stop price to trigger the trade. However, when the stop price is reached, it triggers a market order instead. Next, you can adjust the leverage up to 150 times. But keep in mind, leverage can increase both your profits and losses. And now you can enter your price or amount. And finally choose either buy long or sell short to open the position. Buy long is when you place an order with the expectation of selling it at a higher price. Sell short is the opposite of buy long. If you open a position with the expectation of the price falling, you will be shorting the position. Or in other words, selling short. After you place your futures order, you can scroll down to check your open orders, or click the menu icon on the right corner to see your USDT margin futures trading history. You can set the take profit and stop loss after you place an order. If you want to stop trading immediately, you can click the Close position. You can master futures trading with time and experience. Want to learn more about crypto trading? Follow SuperEx on YouTube, leave a like and comment below. Good luck in your future trades on SuperEx.com.